This is the last episode in Season 2, the Rocky Mountain Pacific Ocean Road Trip. I finished this one off by taking a classic father-son canoe trip to the Elk Island National Park. This island of conservation is the largest national park fully enclosed by fence. It is representative of the Northern Prairies Plateau ecosystem. The fescue grasslands, aspen parkland, boreal forest, and fresh water help give this park the densest population of hooved animals in all of Canada. A forest reserve in 1899, Elk Island was granted national park status in 1913. True to its name, the park supports a significant population of elk. It has also been one of the most important players in bison conservation by shipping and receiving both wood bison and plains bison around the world. The park is bisected by a highway. This leaves it in two sections. The northern half has about 550 plains bison, while the southern part has about the same number of wood bison.